Hello friends, welcome to my channel Nature with Knowledge. So today we will know about top 10 most beautiful fishes in the world. So let's get started. First one is Lyraetail enthias. Lyraetail enthias is a marine aquarium fish native to the Indo-West Pacific. The most interesting feature about Lyraetail enthias is all the fishes in the species born as females and will change to male upon growing. Male Lyraetail enthias have a size of 5 inches, females are little smaller. The color of this species also changes in growing stage. They mainly found in blue, pink and gold colors, and they mainly live in coral systems. Alright friends, next one is triggerfish. There are 40 different species of triggerfish in the world native to the eastern Pacific Ocean. The larger one among the species has a length of 3.3 meters. Triggerfishes have strong, tough teeth help them to catch prey like crabs very easily. The color of triggerfish varies as blue, green and yellow. Third one is Moorish idol. Moorish idol is one of the smallest marine aquarium fish species found in the Indian Ocean, Japan and South Africa. Moorish idol is also social in nature, found in group of large numbers. They live in coral reefs and spend lots of time in surface of the ocean. Alright, next one is French angelfish. French angelfish is one of the subspecies of angelfish native to Caribbean seas. The fish has an attractive pale mouth, yellow and black body. It grows up to a size of 24 inches. French angelfish inhabit in different reef systems and rocks. Marine algae are the main food of French angelfish. Next one is clownfish. Clownfish, one of the most attractive colorful fishes in the world, found in most of all coral reefs. There are 28 different species of clownfishes are in total. They have an attractive orange body with three brighter distinctive white bars. All clownfishes are born as males and they switch to female upon growing stage. They also make quick and attractive movements while swimming. Okay, sixth one is the blue tang. The blue tang is a surgeonfish, a group of fishes named for the scalpel-like spine on the side of the body, just ahead of the tail. Blue tangs are small fish native to coral reefs in the Indo-Pacific. Next one is koi. Koi are famous for their elegant patterns and form, but most people don't have the space to create their own beautiful koi pond. Most koi grow to an average of 2 feet, though 3 or 4 feet in length is not unheard of. While these won't technically fit in your aquarium long term, indoor ponds are still an option for keeping them. They are truly magnificent fish, and if given the option, you should keep them at least once. Alright, eighth one is guppies. Guppies are underrated in terms of beauty as most people only see the ones in chain stores. There are hundreds of guppies varieties, meaning there are always varieties that will fit the color scheme of your tank. And guppies are very hardy fish and love hard water, making them easy to keep for most people. However, the fancier the strain, the weaker they are. For guppies, a 10-gallon tank is a good starting point for a trout. Next one is clown killifish. Killifish are often overlooked in the aquarium trade due to the short lifespans of animals, but there are many gorgeous species that have decent lifespan. One of the most attractive species is the clown killifish. Alright friend, last one is the fire goby. The fire goby is also known as the firefish goby, magnificent dartfish or fire dartfish. Its head is yellow and the anterior portion of the body is white and the posterior portion a pinkish to orangish red. The dorsal, anal and caudal fins are highlighted in black. In the wild, fire gobies are usually found in groups hovering over the reef, harvesting planktonic food that drifts by in the current. Each fire goby will have a bold hole which it quickly ducks into when threatened. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and keep smiling, keep sharing, keep supporting. Thank you so much. Bye bye.